So this is the model number 2. This is the ASAP ladder. So one can see easily this ASAP ladder. So this is our head carpenter. And let's make it model number 3. So this is the model number 3, the simple ladder. So Mantu, kitanga kabiyo? Please have a climb, little bit. And this all are with the anti-skid. So this is a rubber. So this is the anti-skid, and here is lock. Here is with this 2 screw. So this is also a screw. So it's a very steep ladder. So the thickness of the aluminum is little bit 4 mm. So it is thick and it's interlocking. So each and every step is lock. So this is a lock. This is a lock. So I open it. So this is it. So this is very easy to fold.
Advertisement is very low.
And I open the